Want to learn how to copyright your book? In this How to Write a Book and Make Money Online series, in this video, I'm teaching you how to copyright your book. Hey, it's your girl, Rodnez, founder and CEO of Godlywood Girl, creator of Godlywood Girl University TV, and my purpose in life is to create resources that help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. So in line with that mission, make sure you grab my free Write Your eBook checklist. It's a digital download that you can download, follow along with to get your first ebook done. Go ahead and click the link in the description box below or go to the link on the screen. And if you're ready to learn how to copyright your ebook, let's dive into my computer. I'll show you where to do it.
So here we are on my computer. I first want to give you a disclaimer. I am not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. I'm just going to show you how I copyright my stuff, but I do recommend that if you have any questions, you either contact the U.S. Copyright Office. Their contact information is right on the website, or hire a lawyer for you, okay, to answer any questions you have. So first things I do is I go to copyright.gov, and then I am registering. I'm going over here to registration. And then I am registering a literary work because obviously this is a book. So then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click here, register a literary work. I'm going to go ahead and log in. If you have not logged in yet, you're going to need to register as an account as a new user. So once I am logged in, I will then go over to create a new application. So I'll click here, standard application. So now here, I can go ahead and get started with my application form. So I'll just click start registration, and then I'll just start putting in all my information. So I'm going to make this a literary work. I'm going to click the box to confirm. Make sure you always read everything. And then I will add the title of the work. I'll just hit new, and this isn't real. So I'll just put example. So this is title of work being registered. I'll click save. And then I'm going to go ahead and click continue. If it has been published, I'll put yes. If it hasn't been published, I'll put no. The year of creation, 2004. Hit continue. The name of the author is me. So I'll just click add me. And you just keep going through. So I'm not going to finish all of this. There's a lot. And then I will click add to cart. And then I have to review, make sure all the information is correct. And then I click checkout. And then I would go ahead and pay my money in cash. And then after I pay, then it'll allow me to submit my work. So that's how easy it is to copyright a work. It's $65 at the time of this recording. Girl, back in the day, it used to be $35. Okay. So it's very simple to do. And again, if you need help, just contact a lawyer or call the Copyright Office and ask them any of your questions.
All right, sis, that's it for this video on how to copyright your ebook. I hope you are so excited and really pumped to see how easy that is to do it. So make sure that you comment down below. Let me know what you're going to copyright first. And if you're ready to start your business, writing and self-publishing your own Christian books, make sure you get into Godlywood Girl University TV. It's my online monthly membership program where I teach women of Christ how to step into their purpose as faith-based authors. You can get access to hundreds of video resources that help you get this stuff done, including the School of Business that helps you learn how to start your business online with sales funnels. You're going to get access to the Product Creation Toolkit that shows you how to create products, like courses, like nonfiction books, ebooks, audiobooks, workbooks, planners. Girl, so many products in the Product Creation Toolkit. You'll get access to my Marketing and Traffic Toolkit, where I teach the social media strategies that I use to promote my book business online, like TikTok, like Instagram, like YouTube. Hundreds of resources right there, already recorded, available for you as soon as you join. Go to purposelegend.com/School of Business. Use discount code YouTube at checkout to get 50% off your first month on the platform. Thanks so much for joining me in this video in my How to Write a Book and Make Money Online series. I can't wait to chat with you. Comment down below. Let me know what you're going to copyright first. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials just like this one. And God willing, I'll see you in the next video.